Okay, so this is my intro because I never did a formal intro for the video, but here is me making a reticule for my Regency gown that I made in a previous video. I did this in under like 40 minutes. I don't have a pattern for it, but I can give a little rundown. So, and maybe it's better if I illustrate this over this video, but basically you draw like a kind of lantern shape, and then you cut out 2 pieces for your main fabric, 2 pieces for your lining. If you want an overlay effect, you cut out 2 more pieces, and then you just have to sew the sides down, so each side gets sewed down. And then in your lining fabric, you just leave a small little opening to turn the reticule inside out. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna link a video that I used that helped me make. The video summarizes like basically what I'm saying, because I don't know if I have the proper diagrams for this, but I will try and show you the best that I can, especially when it comes to embellishments and putting the ribbon through the bag. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I know it's short, I also know the explanation probably isn't the best, but it's what I have for right now, and yeah, enjoy. So today is the day I go to the museum, and I've sewn together the base of this whole reticule bag, and now all I need to do is put the ribbon in, add some fun decorations and some beads, and it'll look great. Also, my cat is sitting on my foot, working on a little portrait for her. But yeah, here we go. So first I am pulling a ribbon through the tunnel that I've made in this bag. So start it here. And you just feed it through the tunnel, and then it should pop out on the other side. When you do sew reticules like this, try to leave a gap in your seams so you can pull your ribbon through. I need the ribbon long enough where I can have it on my wrist. So I'm gonna make sure this drawstring has enough. I'm doing this real time just to like, at least this part, to show you how to properly do this. So what I'm going to do now is pull some more ribbon through on this side and pull it also onto this side. And once it's closed, there should be enough. I think there's a little bit too much ribbon, so what I'm going to do is feed my needle back through the tunnel and redistribute the ribbon. I think that this will do, and now I'm going to tie it. So let me do that. both ends, and now it works. So now it's time to decorate this. I bought 3 tassels from Move Fabrics years ago, and honestly this is a great scrap project in case you need to use scraps. So I'm just gonna sew these onto the 3 bottom points of the bag. So starting with a knot, I'm going to put this first tassel on and just tack it into place with a back stitch. See? It'll look like this. And now I'm going to attach the other 2. Here is the final result of what my bag looks like, and now I'm ready to go to the museum. Awesome!